In this video, you'll learn how to trade in the easiest way possible with a combination of moving average and price action. Hello guys and welcome to another video. As you can see, we have BTC USDT 1 hour time frame. Guys, pay attention. For this specific strategy, we would use only 1 hour time frame. Okay, for this strategy, we will need only one moving average. If you come right here, click on indicators, search for MA, which is moving average right here. Click on that. Now guys, we should change the settings on our MA, which you can find right here. Input section, we change to 13. And here in style, I would like to change the color as well. And the thickness. Okay, all good to go. Now guys, let me show you how to open a long position. Guys, this is super easy. First, we have to have an uptrend, which you can completely understand by just looking on our MA. Okay guys, next step. We should have a bullish candle, like this one, below our MA. Okay, we had an uptrend and a bullish candle below this moving average. Next, we should find a bearish candle right before or after our specific candle. As you can see, we had one bearish candle just before our bullish one. Okay guys, next step. We should have a bullish candle closed above of our bearish candle. Guys, this is super easy. Just pay attention. We had one bullish candle below our MA in our uptrend. Okay, after that, we should check the candle after and before our specific candle. One of them should be a bearish candle. Okay, this one is a bearish candle. And after that, we should find a bullish one which is closed above of our bearish candle. As you can see, this specific candle was formed above of our bearish one. Okay guys, after that, we would open a long position. Let me bring just a long position right here. After all confirmations, I would open my long position right here. I put my stop loss below of my bullish candle, which was below of my MA, and the target point with 2 risk to reward ratio. Okay guys, here we go. This trick helps us to hunt the pullbacks. As you can see, we had a pullback on our MA, and after that, the price continued to goes up. Guys, that was literally everything you had to know. Now, before I show you how to open a short position with this cool trick, if you have liked this video so far, please like and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Cheers! Now guys, how does this trick work when we want to open a short position? First, we should have a bullish candle which is formed completely above our downtrend. This is our MA. It is in a downtrend, and we have a bullish candle formed completely above this MA. As you can see, guys, consider just the body. Now, after that, we should find a bullish candle right after or right before of this specific candle. As you can see, we have one bullish candle right here. Guys, next step, we should have a bearish candle which is formed below of our bullish candle. Okay, not this one. The second one is completely below of our bullish candle. After these confirmations, I would open a short position. Let me bring a short position right here. Okay, after this one, I would open my position. I will put my stop loss right here. Guys, the first sign, okay? Consider the body and shadow. Put the stop loss right here. And then I will put the take profit point with 2 risk reward ratio. Okay, let me just adjust this one. Okay, here we go. Now guys, look. Then again, we hunt the perfect pullback and then ride with the trend. Guys, that was literally everything you had to know. It is super easy, and this trick can be used as trading strategy by itself. Thank you so much for watching us. Stay safe and remember, you are
The Coin Magnet.
peace